G'day guys, we're going now average speed, average velocity, instantaneous speed, instantaneous velocity. Okay, let's get into it. Simply, average speed is the distance your object has travelled over the time that it travelled. That's it. Your average velocity, however, is your change. Delta means change. Your change in position over change in time, or in other words, displacement over time. Okay? So that's the difference between the two. One is distance over time, the other is displacement over time. Okay, here's an example. While on vacation, Lisa Carr travelled a total distance of 440 miles, let's say kilometres. Her trip took 8 hours. What's her average speed? Well, you go, your average speed is your distance over time. So 440 miles over 8 hours, 55 miles per hour in this case. Let's look at the two other ideas, and that is your instant speed and your average speed. So let's say an object is moving with a constant 6 meters per second. So at time 0 it hasn't moved. After 1 second, 6 seconds. After 2 seconds, 12, 18, 24. So you're adding 6 meters for every second it changes. Okay, 6 meters per second, or 6 meters every second. Okay, and the other one is an object with changing speed. So in the first second it goes 1, in the second it goes 3, in the third it goes 5 extra, and then 7 extra. So it's actually increasing its speed, it's accelerating. Okay, now if I was to say the average speed of these two, I would say it's 24 distance over time, so 24 over 4. So that's the average speed is 6 meters per second. 24 over 4. This one, your average speed is 16 over 4. So that's averaged out to 4 meters per second. But it's not 4 meters per second every time, is it? So between these, this 1 second here, it's increased its speed by 3. It's travelled 3 meters in that 1 second. So the instantaneous speed is how fast it's going at that time. Okay? Whereas your average speed is the speed over a specific time period. So average speed can't tell you what's happened during that time. It can only give you an average of that time. Instantaneous talks about what's happening for that second. What speed is it travelling? I really, really hope that helps.